я записываюсь еще на видео. Вот что делают, вот что делает. 6, 7, 8, 0, 6. ХТР 678. Машину пнул. ХТР 678. Вот что делают, вот что делают. Валь, останови, я видел.
Не надо, не надо.
Давай. Давай. Да, давай. Давай. Вот что делать. Х678 ТР163.
Долбоёб!
Охуеть!
Долбоёб, нахуй!
Ебать!
Go past right, then, at the next one, turn right onto Center Road.
Tonight, our low down around 40. Tomorrow, sunshine 56 on your Thursday and sunny 53 for Friday.
News Radio 1250 and 1055. WTL now joins
Fuck!
the CBS already in progress.
Oh my god!
Drums, what is
And that guy's gonna run off. Oh my god!
Way to get a 360-degree understanding.
Jesus fucking Christ!
Yeah. Alright, well, whatever. G-Savior 2, here we go. There we go. Aaron Rodgers. Like, if she's the titular star character, star name, star power, etc., that makes me think instead of going like Sayla is the main character of the story or anything, like
just keep swimming. Very good. Awesome. See, guys? A surgeon. A highly sought after career that a lot of gals love to have, and a husband. Certainly a boyfriend. And there's other ones too, but this doctor's right up there. He still saw what she did. And they knew each other forever. And I'm sure there's a massive connection between the families. He didn't get into details about the divorce and the families and all that. He kept it to the point of what he went through and how he rebuilt. So, great for this guy. So, gentlemen,
It's a zipper merge, bruh.
watch this video wherever you...
Go through the red light, why don't you, you fucking idiot? Oh my god.
Call 911. Call emergency services. Call.
Jesus. Oh my God, hurry up.
guerrillas and driving them out took 20,000 lives at the time, mostly civilians.
As the Israeli tanks rolled in, the villagers greeted them with flowers. The Palestinians were getting to be
Taking the edge of it, but... What the fuck?
You're damn right, you're totally fucked. A lot of that's getting road clean off. Broke up. Fuck's sake. I know you are. I'm not. I'm getting too green. Look, you came up the wrong side of the road.
Well, I was turning out from my head.
Yeah, and what, up the wrong side of the road?
I'm totally fucked.
Yeah, of course, you came up the wrong side of the road.
I know I am.
Yeah, so what way are you going to sort this out? Are you insured?
Yeah, I am totally calm, fully calm. Totally calm.
You know,
your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think of the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about